What's up, y'all? I'm Andy Story with Wild Lumens, and today we're gonna make Hollandaise sauce. This sauce is gonna taste amazing, and now you'll have no excuse for complaining that the carnivore diet is too boring. This is gonna flip your palate upside down. This Hollandaise sauce recipe has been inspired by the Carnivore Cookbook, which was written by Jessica Haggard over at Primal Edge Health. I highly advise you pick up this book. I'll put the link below. The recipe is super easy. All you're gonna need is some egg yolks, 3 to be precise, some grass-fed butter. Kerrygold is the most bomb brand out there. And some apple cider vinegar. If you're feeling a little spicy, go ahead and add a little paprika and cayenne. As far as tools goes, you're gonna need a blender. Be sure to get a Vitamix if you plan on going pro. All right, guys, all we gotta do is melt the butter. This recipe calls for a half a cup of grass-fed butter. We're gonna let that thing melt down, then place it in the blender with the other ingredients. All we gotta do is add our ingredients to the blender. The recipe calls out for 1.5 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Well, that's 2. How I cook. Depending on how spicy you want the sauce, we're gonna start at a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne. And most people don't know this, and I found out in the cookbook that Hollandaise sauce was traditionally served spicy. We're gonna do the same thing with the paprika. And this will help with the coloring. All we gotta do is put our blender on low and slowly pour the butter in. Doesn't call for it in the recipe, but it never hurts to add a little salt, so we're gonna put a pinch in. Here we go, guys. Our Hollandaise sauce is ready to be eaten. You can either serve it chilled or hot or warm. If this is something that you're digging, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now.
Subscribe now.
And leave a comment below and let me know how you like this Hollandaise sauce. Because I'm running out of meat in the refrigerator, I'm gonna have to resort to some trusty hot dogs to test this Hollandaise sauce out. So let's see what happens. Pretty tasty. The apple cider vinegar is a little on the strong side. Maybe I shouldn't have added the 2 tablespoons. It should stick to 1.5. So ease into the apple cider vinegar. But I'm not hating it. I'll add this to some eggs, to some meat later on in the week. At least I'm making the carnivore diet a lot more interesting. There you go, guys. Hollandaise sauce is a winner in my book. And talking about books, go ahead and buy the Carnivore Diet Cookbook in the link below. Let me know what you think, and I'm off to making another video. Thanks for watching.